Bon après-midi, comment vas-tu? Guten Tag, wie geht es dir? Ich bin der Yoga-Goddess chaotic. Ich bin eine Frau. Checking PSC. Okay, you guys, it's the Yoga-Goddess chaotic. The topic today, legalizing sex work, a path to reducing intimate partner violence and improving public health. But first, quick side note. Who starts off with a quick side note? Immensely talented actresses who deserve way more than what they have settled for are propped up to us black women as martyrs. However, society often judges women by the men in their lives, especially when it comes to their safety and judgment. This scrutiny is not without reason. According to the National Coalition Against Domestic Violence, 1 in 4 women have experienced severe physical violence by an intimate partner, and the psychological repercussions are significant, including PTSD, depression, and anxiety. When a woman consistently chooses partners who do not prioritize her safety, it casts doubt on her judgment in other areas. Society struggles to respect and trust a woman who appears to make poor choices in her personal life, fearing that such decisions might reflect her overall discernment. This skepticism can extend to doubting anything she says or does beyond her professional talents. The reluctance to trust extends to concerns about personal safeties for those who come in contact with such women. Supporting women in making empowered and safe choices is critical, and initiatives like the Pick Me Awareness Hotline Rehab Recovery Center by the-goddessuniverse.com, okay, and yours truly, the Your Goddess Chaotic, aim to address these issues. We provide resources and support for women to make better choices and break free from harmful relationships. By fostering awareness and offering rehabilitation, we can help all women be recognized and respected for their true worth, free from the shadow of their partner's influence. Anyways, on to the actual topic at hand. The debate over legalized sex work is multifaceted, encompassing issues of morality, public health, safety, and economics. However, one of the less discussed benefits is its potential to reduce intimate partner violence, hopefully reduce child assault, and improve public health outcomes. This piece explores these benefits, drawing on examples from the United States and all around the world. 1. Reducing intimate partner violence. Legalizing sex work can help reduce intimate partner violence by providing an outlet for those who may otherwise exert their frustrations on their partners. A study from Germany, where sex work is legal, shows that regulated sex work can reduce violence against women by providing men with a controlled environment to fulfill their sexual needs without coercion or violence at home. Those that shouldn't even be necessary, but then again, the government is making it so that these younger men do not even have the money potentially for an outlet. Okay. In Atlanta, Georgia, and California, both regions with high rates of sexually transmitted infections, the legalization and regulation of sex work could significantly impact public health. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reported a spike in STIs in these areas, highlighting the need for better regulation and health care access for sex workers. Public health benefits. Legalizing sex work can also lead to better public health outcomes. In Nevada, where some counties have legalized brothels, sex workers undergo regular health checks, which helps control the spread of STIs. CDC reported that these counties have lower rates of STIs compared to regions where sex work is illegal, demonstrating the effectiveness of health regulations. Global examples. Several countries have successfully implemented legalized sex work with positive outcomes. Netherlands. The Dutch model provides a sex worker with access to healthcare, social services, and legal protection. This has led to a decrease in violence against sex workers and better public health outcomes. Germany. Similar to the Netherlands, Germany's regulation of sex work includes mandatory health checks and social security benefits, which have improved the safety and well-being of sex workers. Australia. In regions like New South Wales, sex work is decriminalized, leading to better health and safety standards for sex workers and decreased STI rates. Addressing femicide and intimate partner violence. Femicide and intimate partner violence remains critical issues globally. According to the femicide census, about 66,000 women are killed violently each year worldwide, often by intimate partners. In countries like El Salvador and South Africa, femicide rates are alarmingly high. The United States is not exempt from this issue. In cities like Atlanta, femicide and intimate partner violence rates are significant concerns that require comprehensive strategies, including the potential benefits of legalized sex work. Reducing child sexual assault. Another significant benefit of legalizing sex work is the potential to reduce child sexual assault and molestation. By providing adults with a legal and regulated outlet for their sexual needs, the likelihood of predatory behavior towards children may decrease, hopefully. Furthermore, legalizing prostitution should be coupled with stricter penalties for child harm, including life imprisonment and even the death penalty for severe cases. If an individual cannot afford $40 for consensual sex work, they undoubtedly belong in prison or worse. Strengthening these laws would serve as a deterrent and help protect vulnerable populations. The case for legalization in the United States. The United States could learn from these international examples. By legalizing and regulating sex work, the government can ensure safer working conditions, provide access to health care, and reduce the stigma associated with the profession. This approach could help decrease intimate partner violence by offering an alternative outlet for those who may otherwise engage in abusive behaviors. Establishing a regulatory body. To implement these changes effectively, a regulatory body should be established. This council would oversee the health and safety standards for sex workers, ensure regular health checks, and provide social services. By implementing checks and balances, the council can minimize corruption and ensure that sex workers are protected and respected. In closing, legalizing sex work presents an opportunity to address intimate partner violence, improve public health, and reduce child sexual assault. By learning from countries that have successfully regulated sex work, the United States can create a safer and healthier environment for all its citizens. It's time to consider a pragmatic approach to an age-old issue, recognizing that all work, including sex work, deserves respect and protection, as could even be beneficial to society as a whole. Make sure you click that like and subscribe if you like this content. All right. It's your bride is chaotic and I'm out.